Hi, in this video, I will show you how to add my home address and Google Maps. So first, you just have to simply open your Google Maps application here. And then what you're going to do is you have to simply look for the U option below. You have to click this U option right here, tap this one. And then once you tap this U, you will see these options. Favorites, want to save trips, label, tap on label. And then you will see your home right here. So you have two options to change this or to add your home address. First, you have to click this three dots and then edit home. After that, you have to search, enter the name of your home address right here, and then press enter or search. And basically, once you found it, what you're going to do is to simply adjust your home location and then tap on save and then done. Another way or method is to just simply go back and then tap on this add a place. Now what you're going to do is you have to enter your address again or choose on map and then after that tap save. So that's how easy it is to add my home address in Google Maps. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.